Hi, in today's math lesson, you will practice telling time to the hour on an analog clock and a digital clock. This is a picture of an analog clock. Analog clocks have two hands. The hands move from the smaller numbers to the larger numbers in a clockwise direction. We learned earlier the shorter hand on the clock is the hour hand. Did you know the longer hand on the clock is the minute hand? When the hour hand points directly at the 3, it is 3 o'clock. When the time is o'clock, the minute hand points to the 12. Look at these clocks. The first clock shows 3 o'clock. The second clock shows 4 o'clock. The minute hand needs to move all the way around the clock once in 1 hour. When the minute hand gets back to the 12, an hour has passed. The hour hand only has to move from the 3 to the 4. It doesn't travel very far. Now you practice. Click on the words interactive clock. You can practice telling time to the hour by dragging the hour hand and the minute hand to set the clock. Here are some times you can practice setting on the clock. Ask someone in your family to check your work. Digital clocks show time with numbers and have no hands. The numbers are separated by a colon on a digital clock. Look at the clock. It's the two green dots. Look at the red number on the clock. The number before the colon tells the hour. Now, look at the blue numbers on the clock. The number after the colon tells the minutes after the hour. The colon with two zeros behind it mean it's 0 minutes after the hour or o'clock. Look at the digital clock again. Can you read the time on this clock? If you said 3 o'clock, you're right. I will quickly talk about the last parts of this lesson. Then you can go back and complete the work. First, you will do math boxes on page 154. Read the time on the clock in problem 2 to someone in your family. Next, find the two blue pages in the with time match cards in the material sent home with you. You will need to cut these out. Keep these in a safe place. You'll play this game tomorrow. Finally, the home link is optional. That's all for today's lesson.